So recording is started.
Yeah, exactly. So, good morning, brother.
Good morning, good morning. How are you, brother?
Yeah, thank you so much. You have asking about me. I am absolutely fine. I am very energetic today because I have talked almost three, four peoples. Then I connect to you. So I hope that you will be absolutely fine
Okay,
and
okay.
energetic and enthusiastic. So, so what about you? Is everything fine?
Uh, yes, I am fine. I am really fine. So I think we are talking first time, and we don't know about ourselves, and I don't know about yourself, and you don't know about myself. So please introduce about yourself, and then I will introduce about myself, so people know about ourselves.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, definitely. So thank you so much. You have given me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Umar. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but currently I live in Delhi. I'm pursuing graduation from Delhi University. Nowadays, I am improving my communication English skill. If I talk my hobbies, I like to play outdoor game, badminton, cricket. This kinds of game I just like to more. I like to visit different places. If I talk my personality, I am very energetic. I am very excited to learn new things every day. I am very peaceful. I am not be like a dangerous anger. I'm sometimes calm down myself. I'm 19 years old. That's all apart from my side.
That's great. That's great. Your wonderful introduction. Your short introduction. So first of all, thank you giving me time. Your valuable time. Your golden time. So your golden opportunity to talk with me. So let's begin.
Yeah. It's your turn now.
I
You
am
can introduce
Irfan. I
yourself.
am from Okay, so Irfan, I am from Pakistan, province Balstan, district Nasirabad. Talk about my qualification. So I have done 10th class. Currently, my education is going on. Talk about my profession. So I do work at grocery shop together. My elder brother. Talk about my learning journey. So I am learning this language from YouTube, and I didn't take admission at any academies. Talk about my YouTube channel. So I have created YouTube channels. I have been 1 month completed and second month now started. So talk about my learning journey, and I am speaking English. So I practice in these applications and I don't speak face to face. I have been 1 month completed. I am speaking and I am practicing second month now started. That's of all my introduction. Any question you have in your mind, so you can ask me.
Okay, thank you so much. Great introduction. We have said is almost point covered about this. So, why do you choose this language? There are so many languages, but only you choose this language. So it maybe there are so many reason behind of this. So please tell me about this.
Okay, why not? Why not? I will tell you. So your question is big question. So this is important question. So you asked why are you learning this language? Why are you choose this language to learn? So I will tell you. This is a language. This is a second language we are learning, and everyone want to learn this language. So this is international language. Everyone want to this learn language. If you want to other countries, go other countries traveling, you want like to traveling like China, US, UK, United, other countries. So you don't know that country's language. So this is country is a way to connect it to talk other people's other country people's. So this is reason I am learning this language. This is the perfect language, and everyone want to learn this language. If you know this language, people will respect you, your worker, and you will be respect in your behind. Lots of people say this is a worker and this is a hard worker. This is no English. You will get job, big companies. This language, due to this language. This reason I
O-
am learning language.
Okay, it means if you have learned English, it means like you want to go outside, like abroad. It means you want to be earn the money, you want to give the respect, these kinds of things. So you are like learning English. Okay, thank you. It's like a good language. Not be you can say it's like an international language. Definitely want to learn everyone, not be only you and me, because this is the golden opportunity. This is too much and more option. When you learn this language, it means you have a lot of things gain from this. It means right now you are the running the YouTube channel. Sometime like after 1 year, 2 year, it may be your YouTube channel is going on very well. You earn the money from this channel. So thank you so much. So I have a question again from my side. Question is that which sector you are more interested regarding like reading, writing, listening, and speaking? Which sector is more prefer right now? Like you are speaking very well, but I am saying like you are better in writing, you are better in listening, you are better in reading. Which sector you are more comfortable?
Okay, so I will tell you, I have been completed 1 month. I am speaking English, but my English is not perfect. I make mistake. In the beginning, first day and second day, I think 1 day completed, I was unable to speak English. Many people was saying me you need to practice. So I started speaking English, continue to now I am speaking English and I am practicing, I am doing work on the speaking. So my English is not perfect. I am learner, I am learning this language, and inshallah I will be comfortable in this language.
Yeah, definitely, inshallah. If you will continue with practicing with dedication, one day you will be a become good speaker. Anything you want to be learned, just you have mindset, just you have like we can say is a practice. It means you have dedication, you have the you're hardworking person, you believe on yourself, you are the like be disciplined, be honesty. Anything you want to be learned, not only for this language. There are so many languages you want to be learned. Just you have like courage, you have the curiosity, you have the like interest, that definitely one day it's not be easy. Yes, I am doing, you are doing, there are so many people doing. Yeah, starting point everyone is facing a lot of challenges regarding like any kinds of skill. Like you are facing, I am also facing. Not be only you are facing. It means you think it may be there are so many learner, co-learner in this application, in this like a group. There are so many people. He's not be speak a single word. When I call someone, he was saying me I will call in audio call, not video call. Again, I
Yes,
asked why not comfortable in a video call. He replied me actually right now I am a lot of problem regarding like lack of my confidence, lack of like not coming the vocabulary. It's a kind of problem facing right now. Then I say no, it's not your solution. So should we try to come in video call? If you will come in video call, it is definitely there are a lot of benefit regarding like you are connecting me in a video call. It means you are like seeing me and seeing me. It's like you have a lot of question from your mind, from my mind. It's like a good manner to talking someone.
right, definitely, definitely. So, like this, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah, of course
Many,
you can ask me.
right, so many people want to learn this language, and many people want to do work anything. So that people don't have confidence, right? Confidence is important. Everything you do work, you should have confidence to do that work. So, how to build confidence to speak English and do other works, to do other works?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you asking me. There are so many options according to the era. There are so many parameters. I can say like you are facing any kinds of confidence, so you should purchase the mirror. Mirror is the best medicine. I can say when you stand up in the front of mirror and like talking to the mirror, it definitely decreasing your like decreasing your the sigh problem, decreasing your leg of the confidence problem. And second thing, you also like record your video in in your camera in when you record your video in a camera at a time, after 2 and 3 and 4 days you will see the very differ. It's like increasing your confidence. And second thing, you can like talk with your friend, like where you are like feeling very comfortable, like someone is know about you, like where are you doing mistake, which you have, which you are like facing a problem. That time you connect the people, it means like automatically you like decreasing these kinds of problem. It's like natural problem, not only like you and me and someone. There are a lot of people in starting time facing a lot of challenges because this language is like a new language, not rely on native language. So
Yes,
automatically anything you want to be
yes.
learned, it means takes a time.
Right, that's great, your answer. So, you are speaking English is very well now. You are speaking perfect. So, how to remove your hesitations?
Yeah, brother, it's only one option nowadays. Like connecting the a lot of people. When you connect the too much and more people, it's automatically decreasing this. And also I can say I learn a lot of things. I also be reading a lot of newspaper and reading the books and connecting the people. Only one option we can say is when you connect someone in video call, automatically is decreasing your hesitation power and like lacking of your confidence. It's a natural problem, not like facing me and you. It's everyone who is starting in a starting point, automatically like coming in your brain, coming in your body. Sometimes the body is properly
Right,
is
right,
streaming. So it's not a problem. It's not a big deal. I can say you are starting. First of all, you are starting. It's definitely one day you'll be.
right, right.
And
So,
anything,
again,
yeah, just one point. Anything you want to be learn, always try to be enjoy. When you enjoy, it's automatically everything is removing. Don't be think about the people. People always like neglect you. Always like we can say is
right,
not be increasing you. Always like we can say downfall. Not be the try to always the better result. Don't be think about result. Result tests your quality. You will be try better, definitely your result will come in your favor.
right, right, that's correct. So, you can newspaper, you can understand newspaper reading.
Yeah, of course. Sometime I
So,
did not understand, then I just Google because there are so many options already. I've said like Google, Chat GPT, and also
okay.
sometimes talk my friends.
Yes, that's yes. I am also doing it, and I am reading newspaper. But newspaper, lots of words, meaning powerful meanings, and that words I don't know. So I will search on the Google, on the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is best applications. Everything is available. Chat GP. You can do work. You do work office, other works. So I use our Chat GP app. That words I don't know pronunciation, meanings, structures. I use Chat GP and I search and I write on the Chat GP. Chat GP is best application.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the no anybody like is completely is good. I can say everyone is like missing a lot of challenges. Like who is speaking very well. Sometimes he is also doing mistake. So don't be think
Right,
about that. Like people are like speaking well. It means he know well very well. Yeah, it maybe he has also be the fault a lot of. He's also be incomplete. Not is a complete. No anybody like perfect in this world. Someone has a some fault, some problem. So don't be like demotivate. Don't be like under confidence. Always think about in positive. When you think in positive, automatically increasing your confidence, increasing your like we can say you want to be love.
Okay, so where are you staying now in your behind showing
Yeah,
some things?
right now I'm standing in park in nearby room. Every day I come in the morning time 6 to 9. So are you free? So you can call me every day. I just 6 to 9, 3 hours every day. I spend there
Okay. So
for
I
the
am
speaking
also,
only.
so I am also this time free 8 to 9 p.m. I am free. After that I go to shop grocery shop. I
Okay,
do
okay,
work.
okay, okay. It's no problem. When you are free, you can put the message, my ID. Inshallah, I will try my best. If I'll free, then I will call you and connecting you. So,
Okay.
brother,
So I'm
do you have
sorry.
any question?
Your education. How much you have education?
Yeah, I have done my like 12th, and right now I am pursuing my graduation second year student.
Second year student. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Like me, I am second year student. I am only my admission in college, but I don't go college.
Okay, it's no problem. So,
Okay,
brother,
okay,
thank you so much. It was so
okay.
impressive session with you.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much.
Nice
Be keep.
conversation.
Okay, okay. Be continue. Okay, thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.